How to use Avvo attorney rating platform properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most people assume that Avvo is just a simple directory, but the surprising truth is that beginners often make mistakes that led to choosing the wrong attorney or missing key insights about legal professionals. The first mistake is relying solely on ratings. Avvo provides numerical scores, but beginners who ignore reviews, experience, and areas of specialization may hire an attorney who isn't a good fit. Another common error is skipping profile details. Avvo includes education, certifications, and disciplinary history. Beginners who overlook this information risk missing red flags or opportunities to find specialized expertise. Many users fail to use filters. Avvo allows searches by practice area, location, and experience. Beginners who skip filters may waste time contacting attorneys who don't meet their needs. Ignoring client reviews is another pitfall. Reading detailed experiences can provide context beyond ratings. Beginners who ignore reviews miss valuable insights into communication, responsiveness, and outcomes. Finally, some assume contacting any listed attorney guarantees success. Avvo helps with connections, but proper consultation, questions, and follow-ups are essential to choose the right professional. To use Avvo properly, consider ratings alongside reviews and credentials, explore profile details, use filters to refine searches, read client experiences, and conduct consultations. Avoid these mistakes, and you find the attorney best suited for your legal needs.